Welcome back, guys. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope, guys. It is great. See, I'm out here playing with the old school, man. That's my very first one. 1986, bro. Still runs like a champ. But business has been picking up, so I appreciate all you guys for your kind words. This is just a little quickie. Trying to get back into the realm of videoing. The last week's been very busy. However, sometimes I wasn't able to film. So some people are like that, man. It's all good. So let's do this. Watch this.
And it's funny because the lady I talked to yesterday, she's like, yeah, it takes forever for my clothes to dry. I'm like, yeah, that's why.
That's right. That's why.
Duh.
Clean your dryer vents.
But even if you guys did a commercial that said, hey, it takes forever to dry your clothes to dry, holy shit. Holy cow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Over the years, it adds up. Dryer's already breathing better.
Holy cow.
Woo.
Oh my goodness. Oh, you felt it getting in. Oh my God.
Yeah, anytime you hear the drill, you hear like it's grinding on itself, it gets in the hair. And
Hey, Ronnie, come here.
and it'll also burn up this brush. Which I
Come
don't.
look at this.
Oh, I put his brush down.
Okay. Holy shit. So now, even people buying houses, they should need to have that cleaned before.
Most of the inspectors nowadays are picking up on it.
Look at that. I didn't even know. Look at that. Who would have thought?
You hear it?
I need that video. I'm gonna send it to my friend. If you don't mind sharing it.
No worries.
Or just take a picture when it's done. Holy cow. Is that not
They don't tell you that when you drive by. Don't be telling them.
They'll tell you nothing. All they tell you is it'll be $1,000.
Yeah.
Do now.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy? Now you know.
That builds up after time.
Yeah, I mean, it's probably been whatever, but the people before me probably never did it either.
Yeah.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
So, but I mean, we do a lot of laundry too. I used to have a bunch of it's still coming up. I just
Not
wanted you to
done.
see it, make sure you
Wow. I get mine.
And then tell me it almost sold. It's just nice. I resmelled it. We got something with them.
Imagine that far in.
There it is. I got it.
All of them. So you can tell it goes on.
Oh yeah.
Imagine that far in. Because my house in townhouse, that right is here. I guess you can tell me behind the wall or whatever.
Goes straight outside. Oh, I can feel it. When you hit that clog and it finally breaks free, you can feel it.
It's like a drain in the water. So this is the first time I see.
Yeah. It's completely different. You can hear the dryer now.
Oh yeah. Holy cow.
Back, right.
Yeah, you just want to make sure you stop because I didn't know.
Is that the only one? It's not a
I don't know what the other one is. What's the other one?
You said it's a finished basement downstairs?
Yeah, but there's nothing.
Is there a bathroom?
Yeah.
Bath fan?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Whoa, careful. Glad you just.
And this one of the larger ones is going to be your microwave, most likely.
Okay.
And one of them's probably your, do you have a downdraft?
It pops up, but yeah, I never use it.